Anticipating a whopper of a blizzard.
Holt in for Brian. This is going to be an anxious night for lots of Americans, from damaging storm conditions in the lower Great Lakes on into the middle Mississippi Valley.
Okay, it's 4:54 p.m. Before the storm. Now, I don't know if you guys can see, but it is windy. And the sky is orange. It looks white. It's drizzling very, very late right now. It's very cold. 48 degrees, I think it said, or 36, something like that. And it is windy, so it's foggy too, as you can see. So this is before the storm. Let's go check what the weather says. Hey guys, I need to go outside and get my auxiliary cord. Jesus Christ, open up. Is it going on? There you go. It's really freaking windy out, so I think my phone said 32 miles an hour. You can even hear the ocean, it's so freaking windy. Hey guys, Uncle Mitch Live. I'm gonna get my shoes on right now, because I'm gonna go outside. I just got home from school. And I need to tell you the funny story when we're done out there. Alright, just got my jacket on, and we're gonna go outside, because the wind right now is 39 miles an hour, which is, let's just say it's 40, it's 2:10 right now. I think it's 44 degrees, rain and wind, the wind, 37, went down, sweet. It's gonna go back up though, it's 39 in an hour. But, I got home from school. Make sure to have a freaking tornado, because the storm is actually bringing tornadoes. There's been like 7 tornadoes in Georgia, in Florida, which is very close, very, very, very close to where I am. But they're just saying we're getting the least, just the wind and the rain. But I got home, and this door, like, watch how much this door flies. Ready? I don't even want to freaking open it. I'm scared. She's gonna fly. Ready? Ready? Here we go. I can't even open it! Oh god! Oh god! No! Whoa! Alright. Do you hear the ocean? Holy god! No, 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 no! Close, close, close! Holy! Ouch! That actually hurt! Oh crap, there's actual are those shingles? Actually, I want to go out there and see. After this big thing of wind. Come on, stop already. Thank you, alright. Alright. This is, I really don't want to do this. Oh, it won't even open. There you go. Ah! Okay. Oh. Okay. Alright. I do not want to go out there, guys, because my camera's going to get soaked. Oh. Hang on, a freaking hurricane. Jesus. Alright. I just want to go see those shingles. Just, please, Mother Nature, let me out. Just let me flip it out. Oh. Yep, they're shingles. Oh. Whoa. Oh God. Oh, holy. Okay, if you guys didn't know, oh, God. Holy crap. I swear. I checked to go see if those were shingles on over there. They are. But this turned nice. Oh, it's a car. Oh, that's how it was freaking wind. Soaks. I'm freaking soaks. I went to go see their shingles and the wind blew my camera out of my hand. Luckily I just caught it. It has a string right here, and I just caught it. Like I literally just caught it, and it was like flying, like everywhere. And then it fell on the freaking floor. And then I actually got scraped in my knee. Can't really see it, but it's like a little white right there. I got scraped because I actually freaking jumped to get it. I'm freaking locking this crap. Right, it's locked now. Good. I had to jump to get my camera. Here I go. I'm gonna open the door again because I'm a freaking idiot. Oh yeah, that broke. Did I say that yet? I think I did. Ugh. A girl with my ball lost through. You teach me now that you. Oh no. Broke from the wind last night, huh? Ah, set in glass. The wind sounds scary. You hear it?
You heard it last night. You didn't hear nothing. You're very lucky your room was as quiet as it was. I listened to the wind all night.
Were you scared?
I wasn't scared. It's concerning.
Oh well. See? Still broken glass right here.
Yeah, I can't help it.
I got it.
Just leave it alone when you do it.
Oh well. Alright guys, this is 2 days after the storm. It's nice and sunny. Ooh, let me get my flip-flops on. There's still glass all over the ground out there. Hold on. I'm gonna get my flipper-floppers on. I'm gonna go outside for a moment. The broken door. Step over it. Please put mail and shopper bag on doorknob. Oh, there's a shopper bag over here. We go. Ow. Got cut by glass. Right here. See? Here's all the glass. Here's our broken mailbox. That sucks. So I can break this piece off. I'm not gonna try because I don't want to get cut. I'm not in the mood to get cut by glass. Ooh. Ouch, getting a cut by glass. Look at the beautiful layout it is now. Sun shining right there. Nice blue sky, the bird. And yeah, blue sky, there's the sun right there. So you can see the sun. It's nice and warm also. I think it's like, I think it's 58 degrees. No rain. No nothing. No wind. Like, at all. It's beautiful. This is just freaking weird. So here's the damage that the storm did at our house. Here's the broken mailbox. And our glass door is now broken. It was tempered glass too, so I was like, how the heck did this freaking... Oh, why open it? Not even close. I keep forgetting that it's broken. And then I open it every single freaking time. Son of a gun. Gloves. Oh, there you go. Stay! Bad boy. But yeah. Look how that shattered. And it's tempered glass, too. It should not shatter like that. Well. There's our broken door. And here's the nice, beautiful day. People over there. Nice. There's our sun. No wind. It's a little windy. Sun is shining, the birds are singing. Oh yeah, this was what I was looking at before. This is the roof. There. Yeah. If you don't know what I'm talking about by this, just I'll throw a bit of it right now real quickly, alright? Okay. But yeah. Oh well. That sucks. I'm like, there's no major damage. I'm surprised we didn't get flooded. Because the water over there was like freaking loud and really weird and scary. But yeah, so, that would be it. Nice, beautiful day. Saw the little birdie. Saw the sun. I thought I wouldn't live to see another day. So, like, comment, subscribe, and as always, stay awesome. Oh, let that bag out.
Who are you today?